Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, your phone with Google Authenticator and your logged-in Bitget account. Open Bitget and navigate to Security, then Two-Factor Authentication. Click Bind next to Google Authenticator to reveal a QR code or a secret key. Scan the QR with the app or manually enter the secret. Once scanned, the app creates a rotating 6-digit code. Make sure to copy or safely store the backup secret now, because you'll need it if you lose the phone. Once the app shows a 6-digit code, type that code into Bitget's verification field promptly, since codes refresh about every 30 seconds. After you submit the code, Bitget may ask for an additional SMS or email confirmation to finalize binding. Complete those steps to confirm your identity. Make sure you save the backup codes and the secret key offline, either on paper or in a trusted password manager, so you can recover access if your phone is lost or replaced. This prevents being locked out of your account. You finish by testing the flow. Log out of Bitget and sign back in using your password plus the current Google Authenticator code to confirm everything works. If your phone is lost, restore by reinstalling the app and re-entering the saved secret or using one of your backup codes. That is why backups are essential. If neither option is available, contact Bitget support and be prepared to verify your identity, though recovery can take time and backups are the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.